Hello, I am Manasri Saraf, a second-year PhD student at ICRAR UWA.
I will be presenting my first paper accepted for publication in Madras titled H1 Absorption Associated with Norma's Brightest Cluster Galaxy.
Brightest cluster galaxies, or BCGs, are the most luminous galaxies in galaxy clusters that reside near the bottom of their cluster's potential well. They tend to be massive and large CD-type ellipticals, which are thought to form via various mergers that do not result in significant star formation. Cool core clusters have strongly peaked X-ray profiles and short cooling times in their center. The CD-BCGs of such clusters are observed to have cold gas present as a result of the cooling flows in the cluster center.
The Norma cluster is also a cool core cluster with two CD galaxies.
One of these, ISO 137G006, hosts a radio-loud AGN that has wide-angle tail radio lobes. These lobes are aligned with a subcluster which is possibly ongoing a merger with the cluster center. This makes the cluster dynamically young. Altogether, the cooling flows and merger interactions could help retain cold gas inside the cluster's BCG, which in turn is thought to be key to feed such powerful radio lobes. I detected H1 absorption towards Norma's BCG using ATCA's zoom band observations in its longest baseline configuration that had the required spectral resolution and could be optimized for high spatial resolution and sensitivity. I found the H1 to be dense, in cold gas phase, and spectrally and spatially coincident with the BCG, that is, within its isophotral radius. In the background of the detection, I also found a compact core that is possibly restarting its AGN activity. Unlike cold gas detections in other cool core BCGs, the origin of H1 in Norma's BCG is unlikely from the cooling flow scenario. Overall, our study is consistent with the scenario that ISO 137G006 has recently merged into Norma's cluster core and thus retained some cold gas. Thank you.